Hello everyone. Welcome back to a sub video. Today I'll show you how to make an intro. First, search on Google. Type banzoid.com. If you have some problems, you can find the link on description. Now, choose your favorite template. I choose this one. Then click on Open in Clip Maker. Click on this icon. And click the group text. Then, type here your username. Now, I tested the style. Alright, it enough for me. Then, click the download icon. And start to render your video. Wait for render. Then, download your intro. Wait for it. Okay, let's check it out.